Calls are recorded for evaluation and training.
Para español, oprima 9.
One moment while I look up your phone number. To securely verify your identity, I'd like to send a consent notification to your Apple devices. Do I have your permission to do that?
Yes, sir.
What Apple product or service are you calling about?
MacBook Pro keyboard.
It looks like you bought a MacBook Pro in May 2017. Apple is happy to offer a choice of music while you wait. For a selection of modern popular music, press 1. For classical, 2. For jazz, 3. If you prefer to wait in silence, press 4.
I'll go with jazz. I mentioned in a vlog recently my problem with my keys sticking on my keyboard and how I went to a Mac repair place here and they told me it'd be $600 to remove and replace the entire top case is what it's called. And someone commented on my video and was like, hey, there's actually been a big recall of a bunch of different MacBooks in response to this exact keyboard issue, so you might be included in that and you could get it fixed for free. So I was like, yo, this is a game changer. I looked it up and mine is one of those that was recalled. So I'm gonna call them and see if I can get it fixed for free. Anyway, happy Monday. Today starts off the last 3 days. Sorry, this like aggressive jazz music from The Hold is just playing in the background. This vlog is just gonna be my last few days here in Oregon, hanging with my family, packing up, getting ready to go. I've been here for a few months now. Anyway, I'm gonna answer emails and get this Apple thing squared away. And then my mom and I are gonna go to a new little coffee shop and get coffee to drink outside. It's now been 45 minutes of this. So that's what I get for calling on a Monday morning when everyone's issues from the weekend are all backed up. Oh, hello, thank God. It's about time.
Well, this is Stuart. May I get your name, please?
Hi, it's Christina Vetter.
Certain keys sticking or all keys sticking? What's going on exactly?
Yeah, it's certain keys. It's the N and sometimes the H. Got my Apple Care all sorted. I'm gonna take it to the Genius Bar when I'm back in Brooklyn. And ready to go for the day. Gotta jump down. Whoop. Just going around town. They have swing chairs and balloons. I would be afraid of breaking this thing. No. I like the exposed brick. Very nice. She's a kid at heart, everyone. I would never get any work done. I would just swing back and forth. I'm surprised there's people inside. I thought they'd be open outside only. Have to get espresso whip.
Yeah.
We're swinging.
Swinging and drinking.
What'd you get?
Cavista.
No, what kind of coffee did you get? Silly?
I got a mocha with espresso whip.
Nice.
And a cup too.
Oh yeah, she bought another mug. As if you need any mugs in your life.
And
Ooh, the fun stuff. She got food.
I got breakfast.
Slash dessert. What is it? Coconut, pecan, something else. Chocolate bar, I guess?
Chocolate.
Nice. I'm allergic, but I am fully supporting your decision. I did not get any food, but I just got a cold brew with oat milk, and it is very good. And we're staying 6 feet apart because we don't have masks
I'm so
on.
glad to hear they do gluten-free stuff.
Yeah. I wonder what else they usually have, because you said that was the last thing that they had today. Now at the grocery store, stocking up, and my mom is trying to get me to take all of the immune boosters before my flight on Thursday. Elderberry is the one?
I think that's what Carrie takes.
Immune boost, Vive
I think she
Organic,
takes, like-
turmeric, ginger root, black pepper. I'll do it. I need to get some probiotics too because I'm out. I think I'm gonna get a Lily's bar for my flight. I think I bought some drinking vinegar at Trader Joe's a while back that could be helpful. I should probably drink it for it to help.
That's what this is. Gut chug, apple cider vinegar.
Ooh, maybe I'll do one of those
You
too.
want one of these?
Ooh,
Cider
this is my
vinegar.
favorite probiotic drink. I'm gonna get one of these actually. This is so good. It's like kombucha, but instead of fermented. Is that the right word?
Fermented.
Instead of fermented tea, it's fermented water. I'm just gonna get a regular probiotic too, because I ran out of the supplements that I brought with me here and I haven't really been keeping up with them as well. This one's Travel Biotic, 10 billion strain. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Probiotics of any sort will help me right now.
Sound quality is phenomenal.
Oh, thank God.
For $40 headphones, these are great.
Amazing.
And they're really cushy, and they're expandable. I had to expand them a lot because my giant ass.
Yeah. It looks like the top is even cushioned.
It is. It has like a cushy part. The brown part on
Oh,
top
that's
is
so
the
nice.
same cushy as this.
Hello everyone, I'm now en route to the gym. It's my last day of my pass. I had a week pass and I'm not gonna renew it because I only have 2 days after this before I leave. So I will probably just go on like walks and do home workout the next couple days. But yeah, living it up, last day at the gym. I'm kind of sad because I don't know when gyms will reopen in New York, and it will be much riskier, I feel like, going to a gym there as far as transmitting the virus, and it's been like pretty empty when I've gone here, so kind of sad. Yeah, after we got back from grocery shopping, I made brunch and then just been working the last few hours, and that's all the updates I have. Peace. Okay, Tuesday morning, we out here taking travel biotic. This is like the first time I've just bought a random supplement without researching it, but 10 billion sounded like plenty of cultures. I just took 2. It says take 1 to 6 times a day, which is interesting. This is my mom's silver, her gold of immunity boosting, but it's actually silver. You hold it under your tongue for 30 seconds? Why? Why don't you just swallow it?
1 teaspoon. Hold it under tongue for 30 seconds, then swallow. Because it goes into your bloodstream easier.
Oh God. All right, here goes my bloodstream. Should I chase it with something?
No, it's not. It doesn't taste bad at all.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of silver. Open up.
Open up.
You want me to actually not hold it myself?
Yeah, don't hold it.
Oh God, I'm
it'll spill.
scared. Okay.
Just keep it under your tongue. Don't swallow. See, it's no flavor really. 5 times daily for short-term immune support.
I just swallowed it. Am I supposed to swallow it? Okay, good.
Definitely.
Yeah, I was looking at the there's a timing counting on my recording, so I was just looking at
there
that.
you go. That works.
Okay, yeah, that didn't even have a flavor. So I think basically what they're saying is the shorter term you want it to work, the more you take, which makes sense. Short-term immune support, 7 times daily. That is a whole 3.5 minutes of your day right there. It's peace of mind for both of us, of me getting on a plane. I realized I haven't done an actual introduction hello for the day. Today is Tuesday, and I just got ready. We are off on our adventure of the day. We're going to the Painted Hills, which is, I think, like 20 minutes, or maybe more actually, north of here. One of my dad's girlfriends just said that he was there and it was beautiful. I don't even know if there's any value in showing you guys my outfits these days because I've been wearing the same clothes over and over for 3 months. Little acid wash tank from Boohoo with my Lululemon Wonder Unders and this Brandy Melville old black jacket that I have with my hair in a bun because it's dirty. Let's get after it. Want to see some wild horses? Oh, it looks like ground turkey.
Like granola.
Made it to the Painted Hills. Well, we're almost to the overlook. But he keeps stopping at every turn because it's so pretty and he wants to capture every image. Ooh, I feel the wind. Woohoo! There's the Painted Hill. One of them. There's Painted Dad. So the red bands are older?
These increasingly gave way to yellow soils that formed in drier times. Eventually the reds disappeared.
So all the colors are from different times. Yellow and tan is drier environment. Red is moist and warm. Black spots.
Manganese
So what's the age
concentrations.
like those reds?
So yeah, we're gonna walk up in the wind. This is the top of the little hike thing. The view of the Painted Hills. We're just waiting for the sun to shine right on them and illuminate the hills so they'll be alive with the sound of music and not the sound of wind.
sunshine.
The sound of sunshine. Oh, I almost lost my hat to the wind, but it just lulled down, so I decided to film. We're gonna start a choir in the meantime until the sun comes out.
Come out faster.
Yeah, it'll be like, get away.
I'll come out.
Trail, let's go. This looks very different from 2 hours away where we came from. Paleo art colors. Yellow and red clay layers mark different paleo environments. The we already read this. This is so bizarre looking.
It looks more like Mars than out of a harsh red Martian landscape.
Painter's palette. This was lava flows all through here. Wow. They said 33 million years ago this was lava. Truly Purple Mountain. There's this man hiding in the trees with this camera.
Purple mountains. Uh-oh, we got a stalker.
On Mars and in the lava and a tree. On inside a porta potty.
Oh my
This is the city of Mitchell.
3 miles.
3 miles, that's not bad.
Could be part of that territory. Look at that one right straight ahead of us.
Okay, it is now Tuesday night. We are home from the Painted Hills. It was beautiful and so much fun. I loved exploring around there. I think I filmed when we went down by like where you could walk by the red hills and everything. Yeah, that was really cool terrain. And it's nighttime. I'm taking off my makeup to get ready for bed. But I had a great day. So I will see you guys tomorrow for my last day home in Oregon before I fly back to New York on Thursday. So, night. What's up you guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is my last day in Oregon. I'm currently doing all of the chores. It's actually late afternoon. I'm doing my laundry right now. I've been running around all day and just doing random things, getting stuff done, trying to get some work done at the same time. I edited this vlog up to this point because I want to get it up tomorrow while I'm on my plane. I just wanted to finish it off with the last few clips of me packing up my stuff and saying goodbye. Pretty much done with like my work on my laptop for the day, so I'm finishing my laundry. I need to pack up all this toiletry stuff. I'm gonna shower before I go to bed tonight. I just kind of have some random stuff around, like clothes. Luckily, I've been pretty much living out of my suitcase with like a few things in there this last few months, so it's mostly packed. I'm just gonna put the clean laundry in here. I got some quarters from my local bank because I don't have a bank in New York and I need to do my laundry, so that's amazing. I'm gonna put these in a pocket. Kind of some random things, like I have a couple hats here. Some of the loungewear that I bought while I was here, I'm probably just going to leave here for when I come back and visit. Some bend clothes that will always remind me of this wonderful quarantine time. Also, am drinking my sparkling probiotic drink from Kevita. So good. I haven't had one of these in forever and I forgot how much I love it. But this is the strawberry acai one. Also just took an immunity shot. I bought that elderberry one and it was like black pepper and I literally thought I just took a shot of liquid pepper spray. So I better not be getting any sort of sickness after that. I've been taking my probiotics. I took more silver. I keep wanting to call it colloquial silver. I'll film once I get packing and wrap it up. One of the new things I'm acquiring and bringing back with me is this shirt that my mom bought me when I graduated 8th grade. I went to Catholic school and this shirt says I survived Catholic school, and she had it here and they found it when they were going through the house, so I'm taking it back with me.
So I decided to take a walk, and then that same day I said, you know what, I'm ready now.
I just got a package from my management company, Table Rock, so that's so sweet. I wasn't expecting this. T-shirt, super comfy. It's like a light blue that says Table Rock. Got a bunch of stickers. They got some new stuff, so just like some logo stuff, and they sent a couple of antiseptic wipes, which is amazing because I feel like these are sold out everywhere. These are great. So they also sent me 3 face masks, which is really exciting. I have 1 or 2 that are like good, reusable, but I thought it's really nice to have a few more options. Neoprene antimicrobial fabric masks. This nice tie-dye one. Cute. Now that we're forced to find them to match with every outfit. Then there's this camo one, which I really like. Actually, I'm not sure which way is up. I think it might be this way. I might have been wearing the other one upside down. Great for some workout wear. Just sent a plain black one. But yeah, super useful. So thank you, Table Rock. I checked into my flight this morning. I was checking on the app and it still looked like there was no one in the seats in my row or even in front of me or behind me, question mark, which is a little too good to be true because I've been seeing things about planes being packed, honestly. I'm just really hoping that it stays that way. I think I'm gonna wrap up my vlog here since I'm about to get ready for bed. Mom, your final appearance. Oh, she's actually leaving the room. She's making a dramatic exit. Wait, no, actually come back. This lovely woman made me this whole thing of banana bread, which gluten-free, dairy-free, it's iconic. All of my friends think it's the most amazing thing they've ever tasted. So, world-renowned banana bread. Literally. I got this for the plane and to sustain me until I actually get groceries. I'm gonna take a couple more of these, some silver before I go to sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in my backpack. My backpack's gonna be so heavy because I have my laptop and all that jazz. But I'm pretty much packed up now. I've got my suitcase filled to the brim, got some snacks.
Kristee, don't go.
I know, my mom's been trying to talk me out of going. I'll be back before you know it. Wearing all your clothes and eating all your food again.
Good.
Anyway, I'm gonna wear my big bulky sweatshirt and denim jacket. And I think I'm good to go. Crazy. Anyway, everyone's been commenting that they're gonna miss you in my vlogs the most. Oh, she's gonna cry. I'm gonna be so close, a phone call away. You can watch me on YouTube.
Hours and hours and hours away.
Well, you know, a phone call happens in like 0.2 seconds, so you can reach me anytime. Mom, you don't actually have to be sad right now. I'm just ending my vlog.
Yeah, I can't just go downstairs and...
We get to say real goodbye in the morning, so don't be sad yet. The end of your appearance in the vlogs for the time being.
Bye.
Everyone's gonna miss you.
You're gonna miss Ben.
Oh yeah, I will miss Ben. I literally was looking around at all the trees and I was like, wow, oxygen.
Yeah.
You'll just send me all the pictures and the sunsets. And I did get to soak it up for almost 4 months, so 4 months longer than I thought I was going to at the beginning of the year.
It will be an adventure going back to a whole new New York.
Yeah, very true. A different New York than I left it. I'm gonna be documenting my whole journey of flying during this pandemic and trying to maintain safety as much as I can.
I hope no one attacks you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in New York tomorrow. Bye!